0 to pi e to the power cos x over e to the power cos x plus e to the power minus of cos x dx. To solve this, we are going to use the property a to b fx dx is equals to a to b f a plus b minus x dx. This property we are going to use to solve this. So here we are going to replace x with 0 plus pi minus x, which is pi minus x. So let us take I is a integration. So here also we will take I is a integration. I is equals to integration limit will be as it is as per the rule, and x will be replaced with the cos pi minus x over e to the power cos pi minus x plus e to the power minus of cos pi minus x dx. Here another thing which we know, that cos pi minus x is equals to minus of cos x. So we are going to use this. Now the new I is equals to 0 to pi e to the power minus cos x upon e to the power minus cos x plus e to the power minus of this minus, and the value of this is minus of cos x dx. Now once again we will rewrite the whole equation. So I is equals to 0 to pi e to the power minus cos x upon e to the power cos x plus e to the power minus of cos x dx. This when we can consider as a first, and this we will consider as a second. Means before applying the properties, whatever we are having, we are going to consider as a 1, and after properties whatever we have, we are going to consider as a second. Now we will add first and second. So we will see what we are having for first and second. So here right hand side I plus I and left hand side I plus I, and right hand side the first value is this one. So e to the power cos x by e to the power cos x plus e to the power minus of cos x dx. And the second one which we are going to write this I value here. So 0 to pi e to the power minus cos x divided by e to the power cos x plus e to the power minus cos x dx. Now since the limits are same, so we will use the property a to b fx dx plus a to b gx dx is equals to a to b fx plus gx and dx. So this property we are going to use here. So from here we can get it I plus I 2I plus I 2I is equals to 0 to pi e to the power cos x by e to the power cos x plus e to the power minus of cos x plus e to the power minus of cos x by e to the power cos x plus e to the power minus of cos x and whole dx. Since here we can see the denominators are equal, so we are going to add denominators. So 2i is equals to 0 to pi e to the power cos x plus e to the power minus cos x, and denominators are same, so we will keep as it is cos x plus e to the power minus of cos x dx. Now further we will expand this. So 2i is equals to 0 to pi. We can see that numerator and denominator are same, so we are going to cancel out. Left is 1, so dx. 2i would be integration of dx is x, so x 0 to pi. Further 2i is equals to pi minus 0, which is pi. Since 2i is equals to pi, hence I is equals to pi by 2. So the value of whole integration is pi by